Hey y'all, Trailer Trish here. It's Taco Tuesday. So I'm about to get some Taco Bell and then we can eat and talk. All right, be right back. Oh my God, you guys, you're about to hear the AI Taco Bell I told you about. Listen to this.
Hi, welcome to Taco Bell. Are you checking in with your app today to earn points?
No.
What would you like to order?
Can I get the cheesy street chalupas?
Okay.
Can I also get the jalapeno ranch nacho fries?
Jalapeno ranch nacho fries are not available. Would you like anything else?
Yes.
What else?
Can I get nacho fries?
Got it.
Can I also get a Mexican pizza?
Okay.
And that'll be it.
Would you like to add a drink to your order?
No, thank you.
Okay. Any hot or mild sauce?
Hot sauce, please.
Does the order look accurate on the screen?
Yes.
All right. Please pull ahead.
Okay, y'all, my break isn't very long, so this is probably gonna be a video I start on lunch and finish on last break, so there will be a cut where it'll appear darker in my car later, because what I want to talk about I think is gonna take a minute, so I'll say what I can and then I'll tell you guys the rest later. So today I want to talk about affiliate marketing and what affiliate marketing I use. Look at that Mexican pizza. Oh yeah, baby. And my little street chalups. I got those last time. These mother friggers are so good. Okay. Okay, so I have a few different affiliates that I am partnered with. The first one that I got affiliated with was Temu, and I signed up to be an affiliate, and they since changed their policy that you have to have, I believe, 1,000 followers or subscribers to be an affiliate. So once I hit that number, I can reapply. So I'm not currently a Temu affiliate because of the change in the policy. However, that doesn't take away from you guys being able to use my link to shop, and I always put it in the description down below. I love Temu. I order from them a lot. I have a package coming this week, so I'll do an unboxing of that. A little more decor for different parts of my house I haven't done yet. The second thing that I signed up for isn't quite an affiliate, but it is a service. It's called Buy Me a Coffee. So that is just for my subscribers to be able to buy me a coffee so they can donate money towards my coffee fund, because y'all know almost every video I've been drinking coffee. So that'll just fuel my caffeine intake. So then the next one that I have is for TubeBuddy. So TubeBuddy is a way to optimize your YouTube channel. So if you're a YouTuber, it's a Chrome extension that automatically syncs with your YouTube when you download it. So when you're on your YouTube page, on YouTube Studio, you'll see at the top a little link you can click, and it's got all different kinds of cool stuff to make your videos better. So SEO, hashtags, it finds clips from your videos to turn into shorts. These are all things I just got TubeBuddy, so I haven't played around with it a lot, but there's so much And they have 4 really cool intro videos to help you understand how their service works, which I thought was very cool. But basically, the link that I have available in my description is if you would like to try TubeBuddy and subscribe to their service, I would get a cut of that if you sign up indefinitely. So if you become a member, you love it, you stay with it, I'll get a cut of that for directing you to it, which I think is pretty cool because I actually am really enjoying all the different functions that it has, and I can't wait to explore it a little bit more. So I think it's a really great thing for new YouTubers to use. I've never seen anything like it, and it's very helpful. So last but not least, we're going to talk about Amazon. So I actually used to work in an Amazon facility, and I actually designed notebooks on, I believe they call it KDP. So Kindle Direct Publishing, I think is what that is, what it stands for. So you can design notebooks. I designed them on BookBolt. I designed all the covers and interiors, and those are available for y'all to purchase if you want as well. And I have a link to my account down below as well. I think I have 12 notebooks available, and they range, I think, anywhere from $7 to $18 depending on which one it is you like. I'm gonna do a video where I show you guys my notebooks, or maybe I'll try to link it at the end of this video. When I get home, I'll show them. They're so cute, they're functional, and they support me because I get a cut of the sales. Amazon keeps a cut, I get a cut, because I don't do any of the printing. I just design them, and then Amazon prints them and ships them. So a really great way to design and sell without having to have stock of things. So as soon as you order it, they print it, which is cool. It's not stored anywhere in a facility. So with that, I became an affiliate, which means any product that exists on Amazon that I like and want to share with y'all, I can create my own separate link to that product. And if you click on that link to purchase that item, and I believe if you click on that link and purchase a totally different item, because you use my link to get to it, I get a commission of that sale. So currently I'm not monetized on YouTube. Y'all know I gotta have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. I've got about 69 subscribers as of filming this video, and I believe 77 watch hours, so I got ways to go. But I was trying to think of different ways to make money through YouTube in the meantime while I wait for that monetization from AdSense. So these are the options that I have found and have decided to implement into my channel, and I'm pretty excited about it because I love Amazon. I shop on Amazon all the time. I love Temu. I shop on Temu all the time. I'm loving TubeBuddy. I think it's so freaking cool. I can't believe it exists, that you can link it to your channel, so everything is just right there, boom, boom, boom. It gives you way more options of things you can do to your videos, which I thought was insane. And then also not an affiliate, but I have my Mercari linked below, so I sell Rae Dunn and a few other things here and there. I might list some jeans that I have that I wanted to sell that were too small. But my Mercari, I get 100% of whatever the price is that I put on that item. So that would be a great way to support the channel, is buying anything on Mercari, because they don't take out any fees anymore the way that they used to. So yeah, that's my story of, or explanation, I guess, of affiliates, the ones that I belong to, and the other ways that I have implemented different financial outlets for me to talk to you guys about on YouTube. So that way you guys know what all those links are down in the comment, or down in the description. I put lots of links, and that describes like what all those links do. So I actually did finish in time. So no, I won't be coming back on last break unless I think of something else, but I will come back on later and show you guys the notebooks that I'm talking about, because I believe I have 5 of them at home that were printed and I purchased and had shipped to the house. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. All right, y'all, as promised, I'm going to show you some of the notebooks that I made, because I did order a few so that I could see them in person to know what people would be getting if they ordered something that I made. So we're going to start with this one. This one says ideas on it, and it's got light bulbs that go all the way around. And it even has its own little barcode down the side, so that's pretty cool. And this is just a regular notebook to write down your ideas. Then we've got ideas for a rainy day. Number 1, have fun. I thought that was super cute. It's got little clouds. And this actually is a little project planner. So it's got pages that actually have stuff in it for you to fill in. Then we've got the pink one. I love this. It says notes on it. And it's got a little keyboard, notebook, mouse, pen, and then on the back it's got the little headphones, which is cute. This is also a blank notebook to put in whatever you want. And then we've got book notes, which I thought was super cute for all you book nerds, book readers, and all the ideas from the books are going into his little brain. So I thought that was cute too. And this one's also just a plain notebook for you to fill in. And then I did a line of notebooks. So this is freshman year, and it's like a regular notebook you would use in school. I also did sophomore, junior, and senior year. So I'm just gonna go on the Amazon website, and if you go on, you can see me right here. And if you type in Trisha Minnie into the search bar, you can find all my notebooks, but I'm actually gonna link them all down below so you can shop them if you'd like. And if you click on one link, you can buy whatever notebooks you want from that link, and that would count for me, 1, for the affiliate program, and 2, as a purchase from my store in Amazon. So, oops. So there's quite a few options. There's book notes, which I showed you. That's $6.97. You've got this one is a nail polish tracker. So if you paint your nails, you can put a little swatch in the notebook to mark which ones you've used, which I'm a nail polish girly, so I love that one. Ideas for a rainy day, which you saw. The back to school one has a bus on it, on the front and on the back. And then we've got the ideas one that you saw. This one is inner piece, and these are priced based on how much it costs them to print. So this one's a little more expensive. It's $19.97, and it's a lot more pages. This is the senior year one. This one says take note. Oops, I don't know why I keep doing that. You got a regular notebook that says notes, a meal planner, sophomore year, and then the pink notes one, and then junior and freshman year. So yeah, that's my little part of Amazon. If you guys want them, like I said, I'll be putting the links down below. And I hope you liked them. I thought they were cute. I had fun making them. All right, guys, I'm going to head to bed because I'm very sleepy. So have a good night. Bye.